how to crochet a double crochet, and I got some tips for you too. So I'm going to yarn over, work into the third chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. And that's your double crochet. But here are the tips. The number of chains you do for the turning chain on a double crochet is completely debatable. And here's what I recommend. If your chains are a little bit looser and you've been chaining 3, giving you a little bit of a buttonhole look, I would recommend chaining 2 and then still skipping that first stitch after the turning chain and working all the way across. And then when you get all the way to the end, you're still going to have to work into the turning chain to finish your stitch count. Now, if your chains are a little bit tighter, definitely chain 3 and skip that first stitch